Introducing the Arclight pedals, the smartest way to stay safe and visible on your bike. Arclight pedals increase visibility by up to 57% compared to standard bike lights. As you pedal, the dynamic circular movement of the arc lights attracts the attention of motorists and pedestrians, instantly identifying you as a cyclist, maximizing your visibility and safety in a way traditional bike lights can't. Made from aluminum, every arc light set includes a left and right pedal, each containing two smart light modules that are packed with advanced sensors which operate intuitively so you can focus on the road. They sense when you start riding and immediately switch on, so you're always protected by 360 degrees of visibility. Smart Set technology selects the appropriate color for the front and rear of the pedal, and once you park your bike, they shut off automatically. The waterproof light modules click in and out with simple, secure magnetic attachment and plug directly into any standard USB port for easy charging. 3 different light modes and long-lasting lithium-ion batteries mean the arc lights keep you visible, even on your longest rides. The versatility of the arc lights doesn't stop at the pedals. The modular mount system lets you use Arclight as a headlight or taillight on your handlebar, seat post, helmet, or backpack, all with the same rock-solid magnetic attachment and intuitive smart functionality. Smart Set technology automatically switches between headlight and taillight modes depending on the mount location. Staying visible is the best way to keep yourself safe on the bike, whether you're riding during the day or at night. The dynamic motion of the Arclight pedals makes you up to 57% more visible on the road. Don't compromise on safety. Stand out. Stay safe. Arclight.